On this tab, we'll select the priority populations that will be used throughout the tool. At least one priority population must be selected, and there's space for up to 12 priority populations. To begin, in the first cell with the drop-down list, choose whether or not you're providing PrEP to serodiscordant couples. If you're not providing PrEP to serodiscordant couples, leave this as a dash. Next, you can continue to specify the rest of your priority populations. You can use the drop-down list, which are common priority populations for PrEP that have default values built in throughout the tool, or you can create your own custom group. So I'm going to select a few different populations here. And then I'm going to create a custom group. When you create a custom group, in column C, it'll say specify. So you can write right over that what your group's going to be. So I'm going to use high-risk men in my example. And that's all. Then you can click on the next step in your navigation bar.